Good morning, YouTube world. Got Mike here from Infinity Air Heating and Cooling, and got a hot one out here on September 4th, 94 degrees already, 2020. Today we got a lesson on carrier coil. This here, we discovered this coil has failed prematurely. It is super rusty, rotted away, hardcore. We're trying to figure out why. These systems here are set up for horizontal left, and if you set them up horizontally right, just under here, if you pull these screws through here, you see this plate. This is called an air splitter. Okay, this is how the water runs down as it catches the condensation, run through a trough, run through a hose, and down onto your pan, where the actual pan is. Yep. And here you have underneath, when you set it for horizontal right, you're supposed to take this plate and flip it to the other side. So that was not done here, causing this coil to fail prematurely. So a lesson for carriers today is pay attention to the little things. It'll save the customer a lot of headache later down the road.